my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM for November 2018 and I'm so excited because this month's theme was actually really cool and exciting, and I'm actually decked out for this theme a little bit. I'm in like all rose gold and stuff like that because I am so excited for this box. So here's what it is. So, I've been loving BOXYCHARM. You get full-size products for $21 a month, and it's really exciting. So, this month's little BOXYCHARM theme is Gold Digger, which how freaking amazing and adorable is that? I absolutely am in love with the theme, because instead of like, you know, Gold Digger, it's a goals. So cute. So the information for all the products are on this card as well, so I will give you guys a little sneaky peek of what's in the box. And this month had such super exciting products, which I'm so excited about. So let's count how many times Alyssa's is going to say so. The first product is a product I was so excited to get because it's from COVERFX, and the reason why I was so excited was because it was their glitter drops, which I have heard so many things about the glitter drops from COVERFX. And these are in a special edition shade called Nova, which I believe is only exclusive, I think, to the BOXYCHARM box. So this is amazing. Plus, let's talk about packaging. I don't even know. Am I showing this right? Here's what the packaging looks like. So cute and adorable. I was really excited to get some of their COVERFX drops because I see so many videos, so many reviews and people talking about them. So I was really excited that, oh my gosh, that yes, I now have a little bottle of my own little COVERFX. And these are really cool. I really like this shade. It is a beautiful kind of gold color, which is perfect for this theme of the box and for people who like gold and stuff. So it's a little dropper bottle, which, oh my gosh, oh, that's, I think, too much. All right, hold on. So, oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see this, but oh, it's like liquid gold. I don't even know. I'm gonna do a little swatch, you guys. But these look so cool. These look very glittery. Oh my, yes. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Amazing. That is gold right there. It's not like a super gold. It kind of looks like it has a little bit of like a kind of maybe ish yellowish undertone and stuff like that in there, but that is amazing. Oh my gosh, I feel like putting some on my nose, I think. I'm wearing gold, so it doesn't matter. Super amazing. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. And the glitter reflexes in there. There's like all these different kind of dimensional glitter reflexes of like blue, pinky shades in there. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun trying to play with these. How exciting is that? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with these. This is going to be so fun. So definitely stay tuned to see what I end up doing with these, or if they end up into a favorites video or something like that. Always stay tuned for those kinds of things. I usually update if I try out products and stuff like that, and favorite videos and things like that. And right now, I just looked up on my phone, and I just got an email from BOXYCHARM as I'm filming this. So they're loving me. I'm filming this on Black Friday, this video, and they just sent me something for Black Friday. BOXYCHARM. Like, they want to try to get me to buy more. So those were actually $44, in case anybody was wondering how much the COVERFX glitter drops cost. They're $44, because I did not say that in the beginning. I waited too long to say it, but they're $44. But as you guys know, as I put with all of my products, when I talk about BOXYCHARM products, I always put at the bottom of the screen how much these products are and the full name of the products, in case anybody's wondering. Oh, but these are cool. They don't really have a smell. There's like some kind of smell, but not really noticeable. I don't know why I'm letting you guys know that. I don't know why I like smelling beauty products. It just happens, guys. It just happens. Alright, now the next thing in here is the featured eyeshadow palette for this month. And this is from Beaute. I hope I'm saying that. It's the GRANDOISE palette. This retails for $24.99. Which I am actually excited for, because I don't have really these types of shades. I need to put this box somewhere. It has a little sleeve. Look at this. This is amazing. It gives me such great Gatsby or 1920s vibes, this palette, which maybe that's where they were going for in this palette. Which, if you've not seen Great Gatsby or read the book, recommend. But look at these. Oh, the shades are so nice. Plus, I do kind of enjoy the 1920s kind of like flapper era. I think that's kind of cool. Plus, who wouldn't want to just wear nice dresses and go to a nice big mansion house? That's all I'm thinking about, guys. That's all Alyssa cares about over here, is going to somewhere fancy and looking fancy. But the palette itself is gorgeous. Now, I'm not going to swatch this palette. I think I'm going to do a separate review on this palette. But I will say that this palette looks freaking gorgeous, because I don't want to be here, sitting here, swatching all of these for you guys for so long. So I will make sure to put in the description box once I get a video up, maybe of me doing a review of this palette. I will link it down below. Because I do want to review this palette and talk about it and try to create some kind of look with it. Especially the rose tone. The rose shade in here is calling me. But the names in here are so cute and the colors are beautiful. They are definitely my shades. So I will show you guys real close of what the palette looks like. I really love that rose tone. That is beautiful. It looks like this kind of pinky reddish color. Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. So you have, what did it say in here? There was 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, I think it said. So you get a good combination of both. You get 4 shimmers and 4 bold mattes, which I think is great, because then you can this palette looks really good, because you could definitely have like your crease color and stuff like that in here, and they look also pretty. I'm really excited, guys. But the rose tone is calling me. Plus, all these shimmer shades look amazing and just beautiful, and the packaging is just freaking gorgeous AF. So amazing. So, I would stay tuned, because I'm going to definitely try to do a review and maybe some kind of look with this in the near future. So I would stay tuned, and I will definitely have a video linked down below once I do get around to that. But this looks like definitely like the kind of like party kind of holiday-ish palette I would go to use, because it has those really kind of festive kind of like berry kind of tones in it. I like kind of more of like the berry tone palette, or pinky kind of rose gold or mauve tone palette. Or like the very kind of gray silvery tones in a palette. I am not like a very kind of like neutral palette girl, but if you're looking for something like this more for like the holiday-ish kind of or party event, this palette seems really nice, and they're cruelty free in case anybody was wondering. So excited about this palette. It's definitely going to be, I think for sure I'm going to be using it for the holidays. So, stay tuned. Alright, the next thing in the box, I'm going down the whole list because it makes it easier for me when I'm listing things. So the next thing in here is the Luxie brushes, which I love Luxie brushes. They're my favorites. I think a lot of different brushes from like older different lines. They did a I have like ones from their like pink line, their blue line, their black line that they have. And I think I also have like one of their Harley Quinn brushes. And now these are super cute, and they're in super cute kind of like a reusable little package. And they're gold. They're literally a gold little brush set. And these are called the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, and it retails for $21. So I'm going to open these. Okay, this was hard to open, so I just ended up cutting off the whole top because I couldn't get into it. So I just cut the whole top off of these brushes. It doesn't matter. It's not like I was going to keep the packaging anyway. But, oh, these are so pretty. And I like that they're labeled. Oh my gosh, look at these brushes. That is glamour gold. These are so cute. Look at that. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you get in here the Luxie 141 mini round. Super cute. Oh my gosh. I'm loving. Then you get the Luxie 111. This is the mini flat angled. And I don't have any kind of brushes like this, like the form of like the sizing of these brushes and stuff like that. But all Luxie brushes are really nice and they're super soft. And then the Luxie 121 mini tapered, which would be good for blending or for the crease shade. And then the Luxie 131 mini angled. Super cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to play with these. But anyways, I recommend Luxie brushes. If you're not a fan of Luxie brushes or have not tried them, I would definitely recommend go pick these up. Alright, so the next product I have in here is from Farah, which I've never heard of them. These are the Galaxy Gold tweezers, and they're $12. I have tweezers already, just like really inexpensive ones. Well, actually the ones I use are actually from Bath & Body Works that I got a while ago. Plus I also have a pink crown brush. Yeah, they're from the brand Crown. And they are little tweezers that I got. I think in like a Ipsy bag or something like that a while ago. But these are from Farah, and these are $12. I don't know if I will actually use these or not, so I'm not going to open these because I'm not quite sure about that. But it says that these dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. The unique patent design is made with surgical stainless steel. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezers away pick the finest hair. I like the concept and idea of it. I just don't know if I will do it because I really don't pluck my eyebrows. To be quite honest, guys, my eyebrows are I think pretty good. So they don't really need to be a whole lot of plucking or shaping it kind of stuff, because I don't even do my eyebrows. I don't fill them. I don't put gel or anything in them. So this is the little packaging that they come in. So you can see that it's dual-ended. So I'm not going to really open it because it doesn't come in like a reusable little baggie. Once you rip the top off, you're done. So They are cute. They're just like black with gold little speckle printed onto it. They're kind of cute though. So definitely, we'll see if I give them a go or not. But no, I'm not interested right now. Not just yet. Now the last thing that we did get was I was quite interested in. This is the Bodyography makeup brush cleanser, which is $12. So this is what it looks like. I was quite excited about this because, let's be honest, how many of us are lazy AF to do our brush, to wash our brushes? I bet most of us are. So I think this is a great idea for if you need something maybe in a pinch and you're need to do some spot treatment kind of cleaning before you, or you don't have enough brushes and maybe you need to use your brush for other colors and stuff like that, then this is probably a really good product to use it for. So I'm gonna be really excited to test this out and see if it works, and maybe we'll do a video on it if you guys are interested in this. There's 2 fluid ounces in here. Seems like a nice decent size. So definitely gonna give this a go and check it out. But I'm kind of really excited. This box for this month was actually super amazing, guys. It was, I think, one of my favorites to date. So I am definitely very excited. I will have the total of this whole box on the screen right now, so you guys can see how much the total of my box was worth for this month. So I was so excited, guys. This was a good month, a really good month, and so many good goodies. Can't wait to try these all out over the next month and stuff, and over the holidays. I think this is definitely kind of like the holiday kind of party glam up box that I was hoping for. It just is so perfect, and if you are someone that loves gold or anything, then this is definitely gold worthies. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, guys, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.